Welcome to the best picks. The best halitosis treatment is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for improving confidence and social interactions, and today, we will be reviewing the top products available on the market to help you find the perfect one to banish bad breath and leave you feeling fresh and confident. We will analyze their effectiveness, ingredients, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. TheraBreath Icy Mint Mouthwash. It's clinically proven to fight bad breath for a full 24 hours. Just use it twice a day after brushing and flossing. Created by a dentist in 1993, it's a trusted formula that's been helping people for decades. It's gentle yet effective. This mouthwash is alcohol-free, so it won't burn. It's also ADA accepted, giving you the confidence of a dentist-recommended product. We believe fresh breath is key to confidence. It helps you feel your best and ready to take on the world. More and more people are switching to this mouthwash for its amazing results. Experience the TheraBreath difference today. It's the perfect blend of effectiveness and gentle care. Get ready to experience the freshest breath of your life. What we like. It provides long-lasting freshness, is dentist-formulated, and gentle on your mouth. If you're looking for a reliable and effective mouthwash that won't irritate your mouth, this is a great option. Its alcohol-free formula is perfect for sensitive mouths and provides a clean feeling that lasts all day. What people say. It leaves your mouth feeling genuinely clean, and the fresh breath lasts for a good while. It really delivers on its promise. My breath stays fresh for hours. I love that it doesn't have that strong, overpowering taste like other mouthwashes. It's gentle, effective, and perfect for daily use. TheraBreath Fresh Breath Mouthwash works amazingly well. It leaves my mouth feeling super clean and fresh without the burning sensation of alcohol-based mouthwashes. The icy mint flavor is refreshing but not overpowering, and it actually helps eliminate bad breath rather than just masking it. Number 4. ORAVIX Tonsil Stone Remover Kit. Embarrassed by bad breath? This kit provides a complete solution for removing tonsil stones and preventing them from returning. It's the simple answer to fresher breath. This 3-tool kit effectively removes tonsil stones. It's a superior alternative to other methods, helping you achieve long-term relief from tonsil stone issues. Studies show a link between tonsil stones and bad breath. This kit helps eliminate the source of the problem, leading to noticeably fresher breath. It comes with easy-to-follow instructions. You can use it with water or your favorite mouthwash for optimal results. This kit includes 3 tools, a tonsil stone remover, a syringe, and a tongue scraper, providing a comprehensive approach to oral hygiene. What we like. This kit offers a complete solution for tonsil stone removal and prevention. If you suffer from tonsil stones and bad breath, this is the perfect solution to tackle the problem from its root cause. It's easy to use and helps maintain oral hygiene for long-term relief. What people say. The handle also lights up the attachments, making it easy to see what you're doing. It even has 3 extra batteries for the handle. With an ensemble of 7 meticulously designed pieces, the kit has all that one needs to get rid of bad breath. Its unique, redesigned tonsil scoop provides for better reach, rendering it more effective. The variety of tools included makes it a complete solution, far more effective than other kits or tonsil vacuums I've seen online. Number 3. Dr. FREDERICK'S Easy Tonsil Stone Remover. Introducing the easiest way to remove tonsil stones from the comfort of your home. This kit makes the process comfortable and straightforward. It features a water irrigator, a lighted tool, and 5 different attachments to help remove stones effectively. The various sizes and shapes ensure a comfortable fit. The soft silicone and plastic attachments are gentle on your mouth. It's designed for simple and painless use. This kit helps you maintain good oral hygiene by easily removing tonsil stones. This helps boost your confidence and improve your breath. We're committed to providing high-quality products. We're here to support you every step of the way. The kit includes a convenient case for storage and travel. The removable silicone sleeves are easy to clean, ensuring hygiene. It can also be used as an earwax removal tool, making it a versatile addition to your self-care routine. Get yours today. What we like. It's designed for comfortable and straightforward at-home use, with various attachments to suit your needs. If you want a painless and effective way to remove tonsil stones, this kit is a great choice. The multiple attachments and soft silicone tips ensure a comfortable and thorough cleaning experience. What people say. I read through many reviews of other brands and settled on this one due to the large variety and different lengths of tools. I have been using tips for years, but had a stubborn tonsil stone recently that I could not get out. Reddit users recommended this kit and that was the final feedback I needed to try this kit. I opened it up and used the longest silicone prod tool with the metal scooper tool. I had the stone out in seconds and without any pain. The light on the tools provides enough light for me to see what I am doing in my mouth. While the tools might not seem to be made from the strongest plastic in the world, they are effective and better than the toothpicks and tips I have used in the past. Worked very well. The tip with the light was very soft but firm enough to get the job done. I don't know that I will ever use the metal wands because that make me nervous, but I also don't think I would ever need to. Good value. Very easy to use, and removes stones really well. It's a pretty good value for the money. Number 2. Beyond Breath Capsules. Tired of masking bad breath? These capsules work from within to freshen your breath naturally. Enjoy the confidence of fresh breath all day long. It's been tested to neutralize even the toughest food odors, like garlic. Now you can enjoy your favorite foods without worrying about lingering smells. With natural ingredients like parsley and mint, they provide up to 8 hours of fresh breath. Feel confident and ready for anything. These capsules are small and easy to carry with you. Refresh your breath anytime, anywhere, with ease. For best results, simply swallow 3 capsules with water after eating. Don't chew them. Use them whenever you need a breath refresh. Each bottle contains 50 capsules, providing long-lasting freshness and convenience. That's plenty to keep your breath feeling fresh all day, every day. What we like. It offers long-lasting fresh breath from the inside out, tackling even stubborn food odors. If you need a discreet and portable solution for fresh breath throughout the day, this is perfect for you. The capsules are easy to take and provide lasting freshness without the need for constant rinsing or brushing. What people say. They are identical to the much higher-priced brand that advertises on the radio at a much better price. Taste minty without a chemical aftertaste or burn in the mouth. Seem to stop my dry mouth bad breath for hours without needed repeat. Small and easy to open yet secure container holds an ample supply. Can carry it in my pocket comfortably. I was amazed by how good these smell, even through the outside of the packaging. The packaging itself is very well done, nice, compact, attractive design. These capsules kill bad breath in the stomach and eliminate odor from garlic, and they are my go-to solution after eating delicious things that ruin my breath. No one wants to be that person who reeks of garlic from a mile away, and these things are like magic for eliminating those odors. Number 1. Oral Probiotics for better breath. It boasts the highest amount of clinically studied Bliss K12 strain, delivering 6 billion CFU per tablet. Experience superior sinus, ear, nose, and throat health, while combating tonsil stones, gingivitis, and oral thrush. Strengthen your upper respiratory immunity with ease. This formula promotes a healthy balance of beneficial bacteria. It provides long-lasting relief from bad breath, boosting your confidence. Enjoy fresher breath and a revitalized oral ecosystem. The targeted strains in this blend support optimal oral, teeth, and gum health. It fortifies your natural defenses against harmful pathogens. Enjoy a robust oral defense system. These vegan and sugar-free chewable tablets are made without artificial sweeteners. No refrigeration is needed, making it convenient for on-the-go use. Experience hassle-free oral care wherever you are. It offers high levels of Bliss K12 and 6 billion CFU per tablet, providing exceptional value. Maximize the benefits of a fortified oral microbiome for better breath, sinus health, and upper respiratory immunity. Invest in your oral well-being. What we like. It uses probiotics to balance your oral microbiome and promote long-term oral health. If you are looking for a natural and effective way to improve your breath and overall oral health, this is an excellent choice. The high CFU count and convenient chewable tablets make it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. What people say. These tablets are tasty and extremely convenient for travel. I love how fresh my breath is after taking them and how the ingredients target a variety of key areas surrounding oral health and more. I've been taking these oral probiotics for a few weeks now and I can already notice a significant difference. My mouth feels fresher, my gums are healthier, and I've even noticed an improvement in my breath. The capsules are easy to chew and the flavor is mild. This is a worthwhile product for anyone with ongoing dental issues. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.